Okay.
Sunny Angel unboxing.
Yeah, Sunny Angel unboxing. I want literally any but the freaking reindeer, sheep, and mouse.
Yeah.
If I get them, I'm gonna be so freaking pissed. Okay. Oh my god. Literally any but the 3 that I just named. Please. Please. I'll have a fit. I'll be really, really, really sad. Okay. This sounds promising.
Okay. Oh, that was good.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Don't feel it. Okay.
Okay. Here.
3, 2, 1.